I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Sorry, we'll go back. So you just keep going, you click here on apps here. Come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Amazon Alexa. Just click here on Amazon Alexa here, or just click on search. Then here add Alexa here, or Amazon Alexa, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.